Online learning has an increasing presence in the education business. Programs like the University of Phoenix, Khan Academy, Duke's online MBA, and Georgia Tech's cheaper online MBA are changing the education game. Degrees are becoming more affordable and more accessible than ever before. Online learning has become and will continue to be a disruptive technology for traditional education programs. A massive open online course, or MOOC, is the form for these online programs. For traditional programs, the presence of MOOCs raises a number of questions and concerns on how to stay relevant and competitive. Does one completely switch gears and become an MOOC? Can the traditional learning environment be sustainable in the presence of MOOCs? Where is the middle ground between MOOCs and traditional programs that keep students enrolled? How can the Clemson MBA overcome this disruptive technology? The answer lies in Clemson's 2020 roadmap, the strategic plan for Clemson to become a top 20 public university.
In our new 2020 plan, and I hope you will look at it on our website, you'll also find that we have 4 objectives for the next 10 years. Those objectives include, number 1, making sure that we have the best students that you could possibly have at Clemson. Number 2, making sure that we engage those students in their education. We plan to put together more than 500 internships and co-ops internally on our campus so that our students can actually help us run the machine of the campus. The third piece of our 2020 plan is to attract fantastic faculty just like you who will help to move our research agenda forward. And the fourth part of our strategic plan is our capital plan, to build and refurbish facilities to support both education and research.
Currently, the Clemson MBA program is a brick-and-mortar traditional style that offers a few online courses. Students meet at the Clemson at the Falls campus and engage in classrooms with peers and professors. Very little engagement happens online. Classrooms have limited technology and would need significant improvements to begin to compete with stronger online programs. So how do we incorporate online engagement into the Clemson MBA structure? By examining the Information Systems Strategy Triangle, the Clemson MBA program can create strategies to increase student engagement and cope with disruptive technologies. Business strategy is the driver of the program. We will become cost leaders in the industry by bringing the cost down to compete with MOOC programs. To increase engagement, we will differentiate ourselves by offering unique experiences through discussions, group work, convergence, and collaborative learning in the classroom. Grading will be based on engagement rather than traditional tests. Organizational strategy will also need to be altered since all 3 prongs of the triangle are intertwined. Organizational strategy looks at control, culture, and organization levers. Using the managerial levers model, business processes, informal networks, data, performance measurement, values, and others all need to be adjusted so that they are in line with the new business strategy. Finally, the MBA program needs to update the information strategy. We need to incorporate display hardware in the classrooms for online students to connect and engage. Software will include a social network to encourage collaboration between students. Networking and data will also help bridge the gap between traditional and online learners. By carefully adjusting these strategies, the Clemson MBA program can increase student engagement even in the presence of disruptive technology.